Hi, in this lesson we're going to take a look at using ink to shape. If we come up here on our Draw tab and we go to the Convert section, you'll see this button, Ink to Shape. And basically what Ink to Shape does is take a roughly drawn shape and convert it into a more precisely drawn shape. But to use it, you have to click on the Ink to Shape button first. You can't draw the shape first and then apply it. You have to start by clicking on Ink to Shape. And you'll notice that my pen tool is also selected. And now I'm going to draw and try and draw a circle. I didn't draw a very good circle at all, but Ink to Shape really made it pretty good. Really fixed that up for me. Same with trying to draw a square or an oval. How about a triangle? It's very good at basic shapes. More complex shapes, though, are a little bit harder for it. I tried to draw this 5-pointed star, and it turned it into an arrow. So it's not going to work for everything. In fact, if I want to try and do an arrow, and sometimes this works for me and sometimes it doesn't. Yeah, it worked that time. Let's try one more arrow. Let me get here and draw this out. Yeah, that wasn't exactly what I was looking for. I want just a thin line arrow like that. There we go. So now you can really get a sense of how well Ink to Shape works. And remember, simple shapes like what we have here, no problem. More complex shapes, like we had our star, you saw the star, and sometimes the arrow, a little bit harder to get them to work. But now you know a little bit more about Ink to Shape. That's it for this lesson. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time.